In the world of farming, stakes are high. With ongoing low commodity prices and no end in sight for increasing input costs, I've heard too many times guys admit they are just trying to minimize their losses. I've lost count of how many times farmers tell me, I just need to get by this year without spending a lot of money. That's where doing the research, sharpening the pencil, and connecting with qualified partners is more important than ever. For nearly a decade, Ready has been partnering with farmers to do just that. We help keep equipment running better, longer, and within a reasonable budget. We combine our own proven engineered solutions with other valuable partner solutions to bring a full-service product line to get the most out of your existing equipment, keeping you going for a lot less than buying new. Farm shows and farm visits are our favorite ways to connect with farmers and link them with the knowledge and solutions that will best fit their operation. It is also a great place to hear about other pain points so we can expand our ability to serve. Call it keeping a pulse on the industry. One of the most common comments we receive is, I have a drill, I know it needs some work, but where do I start? I'm excited to introduce to you our next series of videos that will highlight the most impactful and cost-effective fixes for your no-till drill. If you missed us at Big Iron 2020, be sure to catch us at the Big Iron 2021. In the meantime, don't hesitate to connect with us. Consultations are free, and you can even invite us to your farm. Together, we are blazing a trail to continually advance best practices to help you secure a brighter future. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe to keep up with all of our future content. Thanks for watching, God bless, and remember there is still a future in farming. Let's get there together.